Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Jetta cabin air filter, full guide. Locate the glove box and empty it, then unclip the dampener arm and lower the glove box to expose the filter housing. Remove the filter cover by releasing its clips, slide out the old filter, and note its airflow direction. Inspect the housing for debris, then insert the new filter with correct orientation, reattach the cover, and restore the glove box. Begin by supporting the glove box as you unclip the dampener arm and lower it gently. Use a flat trim tool if clips seem tight, and keep a small tray handy for screws or clips. Pull the housing cover straight off, then extract the old cabin air filter slowly to catch loose leaves or dust. Inspect the area for mold or large debris and vacuum the cavity if needed before installing the new filter. Quick recommendation: if you read manuals or maintenance guides, the Kindle Paperwhite is a handy companion with crisp text and long battery life that fits easily in a glove box. If you are finding this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more car tips and DIY help. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Check the replacement filter for the airflow arrow and orient it so air flows toward the cabin. Insert the filter straight and level, making sure pleats are not compressed and the edges sit flush in the housing. Snap the cover back into place, lift and secure the glove box, and reconnect the dampener arm. Finally, run the fan to confirm improved airflow and listen for vibrations, making adjustments if anything sounds loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.